let's see how fast and how beautifully our mom can tie the ties for our fathers. Proud students have come on stage to help their moms. How? Not by tying, by giving their neck to them. And tickets before you, okay? So, your time, please pick up the tie in your hand. We will give you...
You will have exactly 1 minute. No less, no more. And within that 1 minute, you will have to tie the knot.
So 1 minute, and let's see who is the best mom here. Your time starts now. Come on, come on, come on.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yes. Fast, fast, fast. Go on, go on. Come on, go on. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. You can. We can see he is going. She is trying hard. Yes, yes. Let's see. He is almost on the way, but okay, okay. No, 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 no. Try once again. Try again. Come on, come on. Well, you can see our moms have done it. Well, this mom has tied, but it is ulta. No, the front side is back way and the back side is front way. This is something special, you know. And let's see this. I haven't seen this knot before, but still, something has been done. The front side is front only, not at the back. But so, whom should we say first? So, this tie should be first.
Woo!
Because the front is front. And this tie should obviously be second one, even though front is at the back. So now let's see what's the parent's name. Well, your name, Miss?
Mina.
Meena Akhtar. Her name is Meena Akhtar. Your coupon's number?
Apparently, tying a perfect tie is not that easy. Yeah, right. Thank God my mom and dad can tie a very well ties. Example is right here.
Thank you, moms. Thank you, students. Thank you, everybody. Thanks to all of you. So now, fathers have come, mothers have come. Now who will come?
Mix them all together, both of them together. Now is
Mr.
the time.
and Mrs.
Couple's turn.
Well, I can see one girl, beautiful, sweet girl, raising her hands to come on the stage. Come on.
Yes, Miss Cinderella.
Couples will only raise their hands and come. If the father and the mother is present here, please come on the stage. Then only you are going to raise your hand. 339.
339, 339.
No. Next. 716.
716.
716. 716. Father and mother, both. Are you present? 298. 298, come on. 298. 728. Come on. What happened to you all, fathers? Present, yeah, I can see one. I got somebody putting their hands up. We want father and mother both. We want father and mother
couples. No less than couple.
Father, please come on stage with the mother. Next is 242.
242. Anyone with the number 2?
242. Ma'am, why is your husband? Well, husband of this lady, please come on stage. Yeah, 339. Yes, we got 339.
Finally, we got a couple.
Please put your hands together for them. Thank you. Thank you. Well, we have got another couples also. The last couple we want. 157.
157.
Who is the lucky 157? 157.
Anyone with the number?
Is there anybody coming? No. 715.
715.
Who is the lucky 715? 715. Normally, actually, in this hectic life, we all remain very busy in working and other things, so we don't get time to recreate ourselves. So we will just give a time, 2 minutes time for them to play here. So what will they play? What?
Any ideas? Those are impossibilities.
Anyways, they'll be playing basketball over here.
Woo! NBA Finals is right here, courtside, everyone.
So, mother will be holding the basket, or father will be holding the basket, and mother will be throwing the balls in the basket. They'll be staying in a distance. Either father or mother will hold the basket, and the other one will throw the balls in the basket. 10 balls, and the one who can put the maximum ball in the basket, that person will be in less time obviously, will be first and then second. Okay. So are you ready, sir? So,
I believe it's gonna be fun to watch. It's not that easy as we think, because it needs very well coordination between husband and wife.
Fathers, please hold the basket. Well, fathers, there is one basket for you. And mothers will throw the balls. For you, sir. And for you, sir.
Okay, you have got exactly 1 minute. Within this 1 minute, you'll have to throw as much as balls possible in the basket.
Now, fathers, you are going to take the balls of your wives only, not the other one, okay? Now, she is throwing, you cannot hold it like this. You'll have to have your wives only. There's your practiced. Great, great, great. Come on, do it, do it. Yes.
Done first.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9.
9.
He has 9.
Okay, there are only 9.
Okay, let's see the next one. 1, 2, 9.
1, 2, 3,
4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well,
My
that's
God.
it.
We have given them 10 balls and you all have done 9. How come? Everybody has got 9 balls. Well, now we have seen 3 of them have thrown 9 balls. Now this sir is first. Please put your hands together. He is first.
Sir, your name, please?
আশরাফুজ্জামান
And your beloved wife?
শাহনাজ আক্তার
Yes, please together.
Please, ma'am, come together. And this sir is second. He has also given 9 balls. And he is second. Put your hands together.
Sir, your name, please?
দোলন
And your beloved wife's name?
ইসরাত জাহান রুমা
All right.
So how do you feel, sir? How do you feel? আপনার কেমন লাগছে?
হ্যাঁ ভালো লাগতেছে
আপনার কেমন লাগছে, ম্যাম?
খুব ভালো লাগছে
So, sir, আপনার কেমন লাগছে?
জি খুব ভালো লাগতেছে
শুধু ভালো? শুধু ভালো?
অনেক অনেক ভালো
ম্যাম, আপনার কেমন লাগছে?
ভালো
শুধু?
অনেক ভালো
You are with your husband and you have won the prize, so you should be very happy, right? You are going to have a very nice prize, so you should be excited, thrilled, right?
Yes, right you are, miss.
Please give a round of applause for all these pairs who have come over here to play and recreate us. Please give a round of applause.
And now, the thing we have all been
Loudly.
waiting for. Yes. Do not be worried. I know you guys are little worried right now. Because where are your prizes? Be not worried. Your prizes will be definitely given in due time. Just for now, take a break.
Wait and see. You know, Tuship, it is said that to have something, you'll have to do something, and they have done it. So,
Yes, they did.
I think you should give them the prize.
Well, apparently I do not have enough money in my pocket, so I cannot give them the prize. But our beloved school will definitely.
Obviously, our school will give them a nice prize. So please stay with us till then. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everybody.